Epidemic Sound just released the most iconic update, and I am going to show you how it works. So, this update allows you to use AI to match your video or different parts of your video to different audio tracks. And I'm going to show you how it works. So, once you're in Epidemic Sound, all you do is you go to Music and you click on Soundmatch. You'll then drag and drop or choose a file. I just have a little stock video here, and you click on Soundmatch. The AI will then scan your video and get a feeling for what the vibe is and if there's any sound or if it's silent, and it will actually match your video with songs from the Epidemic Sound library. So let's go ahead and play a few. So this definitely gives aesthetic Instagram girl vibes. Let's play the next one. So as you can see, it seems to kind of be going with like beats heavy tracks. And I think that's because it has detected the typing that is going on in the actual video. And if you watch, it is syncing the beats of the song and the tempo of the song to the actual typing action, which is the dynamic movement in the video. So again, you can see there's that kind of typing noise that is the background for this song that sounds similar to the click, 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 click that an iPhone makes when you're typing in the message app. So lots of these. So let's say that I wanted to now sync just a particular part of the video, not the entire thing, because it will default for music that can fit through the entire video. But let's say I only wanted a track for seconds 8 to 14 or 9 to 14. I could just click that bit and click sound match, and it will now move through everything, and it will pick sounds that are the most appropriate to that particular segment of video. So as you can see, this is a game changer because it takes having to comb through songs and hope that you're able to identify the right vibe out of your music selection, and you can customize different kinds of music and different tracks to the different parts of the song, and then you just download them and you go. So this is going to be such a cool update. I will have a link to Epidemic Sound in the description. I hope that you enjoyed this video. It's a very simple update, very cool. I'm super excited to see what other AI tools Epidemic Sound might release to help creators and video editors to create their own music or to collaborate with pre-existing tracks to remix them, change them up a little bit in a style that works better for them.